I recently got the sliding dovetail tool holder to replace the one I had originally, which is this aluminum one with the little plunger blocks. I wasn't happy with the way it held the tools in alignment with the little plunger. But I did end up with many extra tool holders from the old one that I could use on the new one. This one worked great and everything was in alignment really nice, but I was wrong. The dovetails did not match, so the old ones required a little modification to use on the new tool holder. So it's off to the mill I go to make the required changes. For the mill setup, I had this idea. I took a piece of steel strapping like they used for crates and such. I bent it into its little V-spring shape, and this was great to help with the setup because the spring holds the pieces of parallel bars against the vise, and it makes it a whole lot easier to keep things in place. As you can see, it all stays in place just as required. I used my 1-2-3 block as a backstop to hold the item in place for repeatable cuts. It was great because the holes in the 1-2-3 block lined up with a hole already threaded in the vise, holds everything in place, and the repeatable setup is real easy this way. Repeatable cuts are no problem. The dovetails were cut with a 60 degrees 3/4 inch milling end. I needed to change my collet to the 1/2 inch size. Time is money. Gotta work fast.
No one from care is freer. So long as I have cash to treat myself to beer, I am the happiest man on earth and sing both loud and long. While each soaks up.
I must say that working with aluminum is really satisfying. First pass looks really good. Second pass is aligned perfectly with the first. Now I have a huge selection of dovetail tool holders for any kind of custom tools I may need.